Good morning, respected directors, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we 7th standard students got opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly. Every day is an inspiring day to fuel our mind. Now I would like to call upon me Bhattar to say thought of the day.
Good morning all of you. Today's thought of the day. Education is not only a ladder of opportunity, but it is also an investment in our future. Thank you.
Thank you, me. To enhance our vocabulary, I call upon Om Rati to say word of the day.
Good morning, respected directors, our teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's word of the day. First, net. The spelling of net is N-E-A-T-H. The meaning of net is unnet. Second, descendant. The spelling of descendant is D-E-S-S-E-D-C-E-T. The meaning of descendant is came down. Thank you.
Thank you, Om. Now we have to say newsreader Mayur. I call upon Mayur to say news headlines.
Good morning all of you. Today's news headlines. First, coal intensity level is always same whether it is a match or a practice. Second, after Supreme Court probe center said 70 names for High Court judges. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayur. Last but not the least, to enhance our knowledge, I call upon Arohi Kale to ask you a question.
Good morning all of you. Today's GK question. First, which is the largest silver producing country? Which is the largest silver producing country?
Silver producing country. Yes, Nidish. China.
Wrong answer.
Yes, China.
Wrong answer.
Raghav.
Raghav,
Wrong answer.
Let's go the right answer.
Right answer is Mexico.
Mexico.
Second question. Which country has no traffic signal?
Which country has no traffic signal? Yes, Harshal Sadhan. Sorry, Harshal. Bhutan.
Right answer is Bhutan. For pre-primary. Which is the largest planet of our solar system?
Largest planet of our solar system. First planet को पता है which is the largest planet? Yes. Sun planet नहीं है.
Star है वो. Planet
Yes.
और star.
On which planet do we live? कौन से planet पे रहते हैं हम? Earth. Earth से बड़ा वाला कौन सा planet है? हाँ yes बताओ सब लोग बताओ. Jupiter. Very good.
Right answer is Jupiter. Thank you.
Thank you, Arohi. This was the short assembly conducted by 7th Arya Bhatta. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.